Today we're going to Parker, Board of Supervisors meeting. On the agenda is a motion to turn La Paz County into a Second Amendment sanctuary county. I want to see what they have to say about that, because that hits really home with me, because it cost me lots of money a few years back when a councilman, Machine Gun Joe Winslow, he was so afraid of his life because I called him a turd. He went out and bought a shotgun to protect himself, but he wanted me to have my guns confiscated, which they did.
For far too long, the government has become too big, too powerful, ever restricted, controlling, and overreaching.
But at the end of the day, I found one long gun, an old 7.62 by 54. So they came and got that gun, gave me a receipt for it, and I went up there a year later to pick up my gun, and surprise, surprise, it wasn't there. I had to come back and get it. I was told it was already taken home. Some cop had taken it home, is what I was told. I don't know.
The Second Amendment is my concealed carry permit, as it is yours and every other citizen in this country. And that's the position that we need to be taking.
I don't know what the truth is, but they made me come back. I finally got the gun, and it got stolen in one of my burglaries that never got investigated. In one of my burglaries, where I caught the burglars, and Tony Rogers let the burglar go. So I want to go up there. This hits real close to home for me.
All those in favor signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Aye. Those opposed? Motion carries.
The other thing I'm doing is I'm going up there to pull papers to run for sheriff, because, you know, every 4 years we elect another sheriff who's just a cop, you know, went through the academy, you know, has lots of experience as a cop, and then they go out there and they violate people's rights. And that's what started my activism in Quartzsite, was, you know, that dirty cop doing what he was doing, and nothing's changed.
Hey,
Mr.
what happened? How you doing there, Mr. Roth?
Good.
What's going on?
I want to post papers.
For what?
Sheriff.
For you, sheriff.
Yep.
Okay.
Tired of tyranny. Today is the 3rd.
There's your ink in it.
Yep.
You just have to fill it out across here.